Okay, doing Euro USD today, 11th of the 11th, Remembrance Day today. Hope we all stopped at 11 o'clock and silence for a minute for those that came before us and didn't make it. So I'm looking at the Euro USD. This is a weekly chart with yearly pivots. Honestly, the yearly pivots don't really seem to be doing much. You could have the argument this was off the yearly pivot point, but it was as much off this level here, which came before that. So I'm not entirely convinced that the yearly pivots are really playing a part in the price action of this. Where we are on the weekly chart itself is that Stokes are heading lower, all the EMAs are heading lower, but we have just come off a double, say, triple bottom. And that's it. Otherwise, everything's bearish. But so you can't sell from here. All you can do is buy based on all that. Even though it's bearish, it's just at the bottom. You can't sell from there. The daily chart with monthly pivots, we finished back on the M2. So for this month, we started at the buy pivot, the M2. Monthly M2, we've gone up to the monthly M3, a little bit beyond up to the $1.15, and back down to the M2. So up to the M3, down to the M2, and that's all it's done. So we're having trouble breaking through that 115 mark, and it's still maintaining a level. So the bulls are selling at this level, and the bears are buying at this level. Stokes are continuing down, but they're in neutral area at the moment. Really, there's not much more you can say about that. These 2 days, big movement down here was the US election, post midterm elections. This one was Thursday, which is where we got the results from. That's where the effect will come in. So then it's been down since then, which is US dollar strength. We've had a bounce off this level here, and there we are. Like I said, you can't sell it. It's not at that level. So if you're going, all we can do is buy there. So we'll go beyond this. So down the bottom, that resistance, that support, off the pivot point. Okay, I'm going to go to the other one. Here we are. Okay, this is a 4-hour chart with weekly pivots. Once again, that's a triple bottom back there. As we can see, it goes back that way anyways. And last week was a really nice swing trade. Look at that, bang, to the pit. So weekly pivots are being watched on this. That's all you can say about this. I mean, look at it. We went from the buy zone just shy of the M2. We've gone up to the M4 and just dropped like a rock. So here we are. Beginning of this week, the price finished pretty much at the M2. So all we're going to look at here is this move here. Where's the danger signs for this to discontinue would be here, continue down, or from this area here. Price action, well, you're pretty much at the price action move at this point here. But once again, that far to the bottom, you can't sell it. That's the end of that. So what I'm looking for is to buy here at the open on Monday. That's my plan. Buy as close to here as I can. I have a stop loss below this triple bottom, so you should be able to keep the stop loss reasonably close, lower your risk, and have a better payoff. And that's what I'm looking for next week. There's nothing to indicate that it's doing anything other than ranging at the moment, and that's what we'll do until such time as it breaks out. Then we'll revisit and do a breakout strategy. But at the moment, that's all we can do. So it's a buy for that area. I'm just going to have a quick look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is just all over the place. Nothing to tell us in that really, on the Stokes or anything. So yeah, we're a buy next week. That's it. Thank you.